Hello, welcome to another session of Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, we will be continuing with the overview of the screens and views. So, in the previous lesson, we learned the normal view, the outline view, the slide sorter view, the notes page view. Right now, we will be learning the master view, followed by slideshow view, presenter view, and reading view. So let's begin our session today. What is the master view? User can locate master view from the view tab in the master's view group. It includes slide, handout, and notes. And the main function of master view is universal style changes that can be incorporated to every slide's note and handout. So what is slide master? Though we will be talking at large and descriptively about slide master, let me give you a small overview. Slide Master can be only located in View tab. It is not present at the bottom of the screen where the taskbar is located, and you will be able to see few of the screen and the view modes. What Slide Master does is it has three features: slide, handout, and notes. And the main function is all the slides will be universally same. So it will have the universally same font style, font size, same theme, same colors, same customization. Always, whenever you're creating a slide, whenever you're creating a presentation, there needs to be, all the slides needs to be the same. You cannot have each and every slide with, let's say, 4 different types of font styles, 5 different types of colors. Each and every slide should look identical to create a good flow of the presentation. Also, it looks better when you present it to your target audience. So let's see where Slide Master is located. So we will go back to the presentation that we were working on. And as you see this in the View tab ribbon menu, you see Slide Master. You see, you can change here the whole outline. You can add, insert slide master. You can insert layout. You can insert a placeholder, themes, different colors, fonts, and effects, background styles. You can hide background graphics, even change the slide size. Yes, so you can actually create and incorporate all the changes to all the slides at the same time. Say when you're creating a presentation and let's say you have decided already on the font style, on the font size, on the color, it will be difficult to implement the same each and every slide once you've already created the presentation. Naturally, it is always better to use Slide Master for the same. One, you need to put less efforts. Secondly, it is less time consuming because when you're trying to arrange all those 30 or 40 slides or even 10 slides that you have created and have proper font and color and background, well, doing changes in each and every slide will be really time intensive and will take a lot of effort, and you would not want to miss out on each and any detail when you are editing the slides. Slide Master helps you in doing that together in all the slides at the same time. So this is how Slide Master works. Now that we have learned about Slide Master, let's go to the next one, which is the slideshow view. Slideshow view can be either located in the taskbar or at the bottom of the slide window. When I am presenting the slide, by the way, I'm using the slideshow view. Slideshow is used during presenting the presentation, and this occupies the whole screen. Well, you're already aware about that because right now we are actually doing the slideshow view. So let's see where you can locate slideshow view. Let's go back to the presentation. I will close the master view, go to view, and go to normal. right? For slideshow view, you can either go to slideshow or in view, or you can go slideshow view from here. While clicking onto it, you already have started the slideshow for the presentation. So anytime, whenever you're presenting a presentation, you would always want it to be in the slideshow view, not on the normal view. That is not how you present a presentation. Also, you won't be able to see the notes in the slideshow view. There is a different mode for that. And after this, we are going to learn about it. After the slideshow view, there is presenter view. Presenter view is located in the lower left corner of the screening slideshow view. So what happens is when you go to the presenter view, what you will see is there will be three dots. And if you click on it, you can show presenter view. You will be able to view the notes while presenting the presentation, but audience will not be able to see the notes. What happens is presenter view is for all the people who are going to present their presentations to a target audience. While delivering your presentation, it is not possible to remember all the slides and the explanation attached to it. What you do is you put the whole slideshow in a presenter view. So the target audience will only just be able to see the presentation, while you will be able to see the notes as well. So let's go back and locate presenter view. So the presenter view is located here. What you can do is you can just look for the presenter view and can present your presentation. Next is the reading view. Reading view can be located from the taskbar at the bottom of the slide window. Reading view is used by the users for reviewing the presentation without using presenter mode. So what you can do is you can just read the presentation and you won't be using presenter mode for this. So let's see where can you locate reading view. So let's go back and we will open the presentation. And you see there is reading view here as well as the reading view icon is here as well. Now the icon of a reading view is of a book, right? Once you click onto it, you will just be able to read the slide, right? So you'll just be able to read the slide. This is how the reading view works. Here, you will just read the slides and the content which is there, the images that is there, you will just be able to see the slides. That's about it. This is not using the presenter views. So this is what reading view is all about. Also, in the reading view, you will be able to see the animations and transitions that you have added in your slide as well. Thank you.